Hey guys, what's up? I'm about to redo my living room, just clean it, rearrange it, put out some new like wintry decorations for the winter time, so we can have like a nice fresh start to the winter. And then I'm gonna put out a few little Christmas decorations. So if you wanna chill with me while I do that, then keep on watching. Okay. Hey YouTube, what's up? It's me and Timothy.
Yep.
My twin. Are we twins?
Yeah.
Today is Vlogmas day, like I think we're on
It's the
6 now. No,
yes.
but I'm not on the month. I didn't start at the beginning of the month. So unfortunately, I'm not on the month. I have to go by my own number of days. I think I started on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. That would make today day 5. So I don't know. So let's see what we got in store for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and leave comments. I'm cleaning up, and you want to complain about not being able to see? That's what you want to do right now? Why don't you get up and do something? And then open the other box and put some in. You can help if you want, Chase.
Okay. Oh, you want to just help me?
Yeah, go ahead and help her.
Okay.
Okay, so I tried to hang this up, but it wasn't working out. So I gotta wait. I'm gonna have my husband hang that up, and then you guys can see the rest of the living room. It's only 9:17, but I'm exhausted. Today was my day off where I didn't have to go to school or work. And you guys see what I did with the house. You know, that probably did take a lot of my energy, but in between that were the things. First of all, Chase had to get picked up early from school. First of all, Chase had to get picked up early. He threw a fit this morning that he wanted to be picked up early. So, I don't know. You guys will notice in these vlogs, like you'll hear me screaming and yelling. Like that's what I do. But my kids are actually very spoiled. That is all I do. So, yeah, he wanted to get picked up from school. He was having a bad night. So, in the morning, he said he wanted to be picked up from school. I picked him up from school, whatever. Okay. Then I had some errands to run. Then when the other kids came home, after their dad brought them home, we went to the dollar store because I wanted to get ornaments for the little tree, for that little guy over there. There was no ornaments, so we went to that dollar store. Timothy decides, no, he didn't decide, but while we were there, sorry if I have the camera angle bad, while we were there, he said he had a headache. I'm like, okay, we weren't there but 15-20 minutes. I'm like, oh, okay, let's hurry up and go. So he sat down like on a little ledge in the aisle while I grabbed the stuff. We went to this line, no warning, no nothing. He starts throwing up in the store on the line. It's splashing everywhere. I don't know if it got on anybody. I don't know. I literally almost had a panic attack, like an anxiety attack. So that's probably why I feel, that's really the reason why I probably feel how I feel right now. So I had to worry about getting him out of the store. I had to worry about getting him out of the store. He's throwing up all the way, all the way through the store, trail to the car. They chased me out the store. They were very, very nice about it, thank God, because that would have shot my anxiety up 20 times more if they would have been rude. She was chasing me out to try to give me bags for him, and they're like, you can still get your stuff, you know, if you want it. We'll have somebody else ring you up. You don't have to wait in line. So I got him situated in the car, got the stuff. We came home. We finished the house. I showed you guys that on camera. And now I'm too tired to vlog. So that's the end of today. What's today? Day 6? I don't know anymore, guys. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Have a good one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye.